To build the pot, I'm using these wooden planks, which are leftovers from a different project. The wooden plank measures 37 centimeters in length and 7.5 centimeters in width. I begin by building the perimeter of the pot before moving on to the base. I use the drill to create a hole, making it easier to insert the screw. Now that the perimeter structure is complete, I'll proceed with creating the pot's base. This plank is too long, but I'll cut it after securing it to the pot. I've used screws to secure the planks to the perimeter of the pot. While nails are also an option, I prefer using screws, as they reduce the risk of splitting the planks. Here's the pot seen from above. Now I attach the feet to the pot. I create the drainage holes using a larger drill bit. I use the Japanese technique Yakisugi, which involves burning and sanding the wood, which is then polished with oil. This results in increased resistance to moisture. The charcoal on the surface discourages termites and other pests, and finally it creates unique colors and textures in the wood. This is the pot completely burned. Now with a sander, I remove the top layer. This is the final result.